was a unit of Romans massacred just outside Colwyn Bay. Today we're on a bit of a mission. So when I was younger, I remember there was a bit of a legend that a place called Nant Sempir existed somewhere between Colwyn Bay and Mochra, and it was named Sempir after Semporius, who was a Roman general who was killed in the area when he was ambushed by the local Celtic tribe, the Ordovice. Now, I've known that for ages, but I've actually not found any evidence for it until recently when I was online and someone had found a section of a book with a reference. The book was called Colwyn Bay, I think, by a Norman something or other and Ivor something or other. I'll put the notes in there. So we're going to go to the library today and find out if we can find what they were referencing, to find if there's any factuality in the story about the Romans being attacked and ambushed outside of Colwyn Bay. Let's go. Right, so we're going to go into Colwyn Bay Library and see if we can find this book.
So the first thing I did was find the reference that I knew in Norman Tucker and Ivor Wyn-Jones's book, Colwyn Bay, Its History Across the Years. I then found the book that they were referencing. The valley on the south, called Nant Sempir, a name supposedly derived from a Roman general, possibly Sempronius. That the Romans had visited this neighbourhood is corroborated by a silver coin of Hadrian, dug up in a field here, Le Hadrianus Augustus, reverse Tranquillus Augustus, Clesinas Tertius, pp.
So, here we are, up above Nant Sempir, I think. Can't actually find it on a map anywhere. Now, a bit disappointing really, but I suppose that's how these things go. The earliest record I can find of Semporius and his disastrous campaign into Colwyn Bay is based on a legend. It's based on hearsay. Now, I'm hoping this is going to be a two-part video because I'm going to go and see if I can find any Roman military records to find if there is actually a man called Sempir or Semporius who served under Gaius Suetonius Paulinus during his campaign into North Wales. If I can find that, maybe I can find something a bit more tangible, but as far as I can tell, Nant Sempir, which admittedly is a great place for an ambush, it's got nothing to do with the Roman invasion, and as we found in that book, the only corroborating evidence is a Roman coin from Hadrian's time, which is significantly after the times of the Roman invasions into Wales and Anglesey. So anyway, deal. Subscribe for more. Have a good one. Don't forget to check out my Patreon if you want to support me on my truth-seeking quest into Welsh history. Deal.